Today we're going to be walking you through a concrete job that we have going on here in Polk City. We kind of pull out all the stops when we do our concrete. Instead of tearing up grass and making a huge mess in a secondary project to complete one project, we like to use our concrete boom company, T3 Concrete Pumping. Great bunch of guys out there, very skilled operators and an awesome owner. Make sure to give them a call for all your needs. So here we'll be walking you through the racking and unracking of the pump, the procedure to get concrete from point A to point B in the cleanest and most minimally invasive way to your property. And here you'll see them booming over to the backyard from the street here. Unfortunately, this does require us shutting down the road here for a short period of time to achieve this project. Here you can see how they are hooking up their system to reach all the way to the back side of the concrete pour. And note the condition of the grass here, still in perfect shape. No tracks, no mess, no spills from the buggies. And just a nice overall product left behind when we finish. It's quite an awesome experience if you haven't seen it before. It's really cool to see these guys set up and boom across and do their whole operation. Here's where your concrete will dump into the back of the hopper. And then here's a before and after lay down picture. Stay tuned for more, guys. Thanks for watching.